How to close Live Oak bank account. To close a Live Oak bank account, reach out to the Live Bank customer support either by phone or through their online messaging system. You can find the contact information on their website or on their account statements. Inform the customer service representative that you would like to close your account. They may ask for some verification details to confirm your identity and account ownership. Follow any additional instructions provided by the customer service representative. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds from your LifeOak bank account before initiating the closure. After completing the necessary steps, you may receive confirmation via email. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.